Hi guys, I'm Nitish and welcome to the Techno Knock. So today's video is about how can you stabilize your video using your phone without using any gimbal or without having EIS or OIS inbuilt in your phone. Now you might be wondering what is EIS or OIS. I'll be talking about that as well. But first of all, let's talk that what method I am gonna show you to stabilize your videos. Actually it is from phone. You don't have to install any software for that. You can directly do from your phone only. The feature is in your phone available, but you don't know about it. So it's very simple, and if you are watching this video then you surely know the importance of stabilizing the video, as the stabilization enhances the beauty and feel of the video. So I'll be showing you some of the sample of the video, and the sample is unstabilized video and stabilized video. So watch that sample first and then we'll talk about this again.
When I'm up through the night, I can't.
So that was the sample, and now you can justify the difference between the stabilized and unstabilized video. Nowadays the flagship phones comes with EIS or OIS inbuilt in them. Now EIS, okay, EIS is electronic image stabilization, that is done through the software. EIS is actually in mobile phone inbuilt software that enhances or that stabilizes your video, and OIS, that is optical image stabilization, that is hardware used in your camera to stabilize your video. So it's in general concept, just understand that EIS is type of software and OIS is type of hardware used in phone. Okay, now let's come to the main point, and that is how to stabilize your video without having EIS, OIS or without using gimbal. So that is the main point we have to solve, and I'm going to show you the tutorial. And if you are new over here watching this video for the first time, then you can subscribe to this channel, and if you're finding this video interesting for whatsoever reason, then you can hit that like button. So here is the tutorial, and after shooting the video you will have to open the Google Photos and select the video that you want to edit. So select the video, and you'll find the edit option over there below between the center, and you'll have to click over there, and you will find the stabilizing option, and by the arrow you can see, I think, just click on that and your video will be start to stabilize, and it will take time according to its size. And after stabilizing you can find it as well over here, and you can just save that video as well. You can find the option above, save copy, so click on that to save. So that was the tutorial to stabilize your video using your phone using the Google Photos. Thank you very much for watching, and if you found this video interesting then you can hit that like button. If you are new over here then please subscribe, because I bring such interesting video. Thank you very much for watching the video.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.